Hello, boys and girls. We're going to be working on this sheet called Shades of Meaning. There it is with all the little Crankensteins on it. And up here, we're going to put our name. And then let's go ahead and read the directions. I feel like this is a little blurry. We're going to try to get it a little more clear. There it is, a little more clear. So the directions say, if the words belong together as synonyms, color the Frankenstein. So what's a synonym? Synonyms are words that mean the same. They have the same meaning. So I'm going to write same there to help me remember. Synonym, same. If not, cross it out. So if the words don't mean something the same, cross it out. Use a pair of synonyms in a sentence. So at the end, I'm going to write a pair in a sentence. All right, so the first one I did for us, it says glad and happy. Glad and happy are two words that mean about the same thing. If you're glad, you got a big smile on your face, and if you're happy, you have a smile on your face. So I colored in my Crankenstein, as you can see. Okay, the next Crankenstein said annoyed and tired. Those do not mean the same thing. Annoyed means like you're really bothered. That's like bothered, disturbed, and tired means you're like sleepy. So those don't mean the same, so I X'd it out. All right, I'm not going to do the next Crankensteins for you yet. I want you to pause your video and work on them. And I will give you some time to do that, and then I will work on it with you in case you haven't finished or need some help. So go ahead and pause your video now. I'll give you a few seconds to find that pause button, and you're going to work on these Crankensteins on your own. All right, welcome back. Hopefully you paused your video and you have colored these all in, and now you can check your answers with Mrs. Mahoney. So nervous means you're kind of afraid or unsure, maybe a little scared about something. All right, so this one, since nervous is kind of scared and shy is a little hesitant, kind of nervous, a little scared also, this would be a synonym, so we could color this guy green. Next up, we have amazed and upset. Amazed is like, woo, wow, and upset is like, oh, man. So those do not mean the same, so I'm going to cross this guy out. Goodbye, this Frankenstein. All right, my next two words, cranky, grumpy. Those definitely mean about the same. So this guy is going to get colored because words that mean the same are synonyms, and we color those ones in. So hopefully you colored yours. All right, the next one says scared and terrified. Those are definitely synonyms. I feel scared. I feel terrified. This one has a stronger shade of meaning, terrified, than scared does. So that's definitely going to get colored in. Hopefully you colored it. All right, the next Crankenstein head says mad, furious. Ooh, those words mean the same. Mad's a little less shade of meaning, a little less strong, and furious is super strong. So this Crankenstein should be colored. The next pair says unhappy. So un means not happy, and excited. Those are opposites. So that is going to be crossed out. Thankful, full of thanks, and generous, very giving. When you're thankful and generous, those words mean the same. Thankful for all you have and generous and with all you have means you're very giving and kind. So that would get colored. So after I paused you, I really kept thinking, and thankful and generous are very similar, but I don't think they're actually the same as synonyms, because if you're thankful, you're really grateful, and it makes you be generous, but you can't replace it. I'm thankful for my house. I'm generous for my house. They can't be used the same. So I'm going to go ahead and cross those out. So if you colored it, just put an X through it now. It's always okay just to cross it out. So we ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4 crossed out. So hopefully you have 4 crossed out, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colored in. And it was fun to color them in, all little different looking Crankensteins for me. For my sentences, I decided to use glad and happy. I just went with the first one, and I said, I'm glad it's fall and happy it's cool outside. So those are shades of meaning, how you feel. You could have picked anyone. I'm mad, I have to write a sentence, and I'm furious, my pencil just broke. Whatever you want to say in your sentence. Make sure you have a capital and a period. You can underline your synonyms. And that's it for this worksheet. Hope you had fun working on it. I sure did. Bye-bye.